Since it's summertime, of course, one of our favorite things to do is to eat shaved ice. So today we're going to check out another shaved ice place. This one is called Homibing. It originates from Korea. There are about 2 Homibings in Tokyo. We're going to the one in Shin-Okubo in Shinjuku. It's very close to the Shin-Okubo station. We arrived at around 2 p.m. We didn't have to wait online. As you can see, most of the patrons are women or couples. They also have savory items here such as toast and pizza, but of course they're famous for their shaved ice. You pay first downstairs and then get a number. The waitress will bring over your order. We ordered the red bean shaved ice and also the mango shaved ice. The ice looks super fluffy and the portion is pretty huge. The mango one was a little bit on the sour side, but they were both still pretty good. But I do think that they look better than they taste. They are very Instagrammable. Quite a few people ordered the watermelon shaved ice. Maybe we'll try it next time. While we're eating, people start lining up outside the restaurant, and the restaurant gave them umbrellas to use to stay off the sun. I thought that was a pretty nice gesture. Overall, this is a good place to chill during the summer. I actually wanted to try the taro flavor, but it was sold out. They also have new flavors such as strawberry, melon, and green grape. Maybe I just have to come back and try them next time.